Updates to the H-1B visa to commence in January. How Nigerians can benefit. The H-1B visa program, the cornerstone of U.S. immigration policy, has undergone significant updates scheduled to take effect in January. These changes are expected to streamline processes, increase transparency, and expand opportunities for international workers, including Nigerians. Here's a closer look at these updates and how Nigerians can leverage them to enhance their prospects in the U.S. labor market. Key updates to the H-1B visa program. Increased cap on visas. The U.S. government has announced a modest increase in the annual cap for H-1B visas. While the regular cap remains at $65,000, an additional allocation is being considered for workers in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields, particularly in AI, cybersecurity, and renewable energy. Priority for high-skilled workers. The new selection process aims to prioritize applications from candidates with advanced degrees or specialized skills in high-demand sectors. This shift aligns with U.S. efforts to attract top global talent to support its economic and technological growth. Revised employer requirements. Employers sponsoring H-1B applicants must now demonstrate a stronger commitment to fair wages and better working conditions for foreign workers. This ensures that H-1B employees receive equitable treatment and discourages exploitation. Digital application system enhancements. A new and improved digital application platform will be launched to make the process more user-friendly. This update is expected to reduce processing times and enhance communication between applicants, employers, and the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. Pathway to green card simplification. The Biden administration has proposed streamlining the transition from an H-1B visa to permanent residency, green card, making it easier for workers to build long-term careers in the U.S. Opportunities for Nigerians. Nigerians are known for their entrepreneurial spirit, educational achievements, and contributions to global innovation. Here's how they can take advantage of these H-1B updates. Leverage Nigeria's STEM talent pool. Nigeria produces a significant number of STEM graduates annually. Nigerians with advanced degrees or specialized skills in high-demand areas like software engineering, data science, and renewable energy can stand out in the H-1B application pool. Utilize professional networks. Many Nigerians already working in the U.S. can help guide prospective applicants through the H-1B process, from identifying eligible employers to preparing applications. Platforms like LinkedIn, industry-specific forums, and Nigerian professional associations in the U.S. are valuable resources. Partner with U.S.-based employers. Nigerians seeking H-1B opportunities should focus on companies with a history of sponsoring international workers. These employers are often familiar with the application process and more likely to consider foreign talent. Prepare for enhanced digital applications. With the improved digital system, applicants need to ensure their documentation is complete and accurate. Professional assistants, such as immigration lawyers or consultants, can help navigate the process effectively. Take advantage of pathways to permanent residency. The simplified green card process offers Nigerians the opportunity to establish long-term careers and lives in the U.S., contributing to industries critical to the U.S. economy. Practical steps to get started. Develop high-demand skills. Invest in acquiring or refining skills that align with global trends and U.S. labor market needs, particularly in tech and engineering. Research eligible employers. Identify U.S. companies actively hiring in your field and check their history of H-1B sponsorship. Prepare strong applications. A well-prepared resume, cover letter, and documentation can make your application stand out. Seek professional help if needed. Engage in networking. Attend international job fairs, webinars, and networking events to connect with potential employers. Stay updated on immigration policies. Regularly monitor updates from USCIS and other reliable sources to stay informed about changes in visa policies and opportunities. Conclusion. The updates to the H-1B visa program signal a commitment by the U.S. to attract the best and brightest from around the world. For Nigerians, These changes represent a unique opportunity to leverage their skills and education to access one of the most coveted work visas globally. By preparing strategically and taking advantage of these updates, Nigerians can position themselves to benefit from the expanded opportunities in the US labor market.